Okay, let's talk about why we are here. We are here, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, because this defendant, George Wagner IV, aka George Wagner, and his brother, Edward Jacob Wagner, and his father, George Wagner III, also known as Billy Wagner. The three of them, in the late hours of April 21st of 2016 into the early morning hours of April 22nd of 2016, went up to Union Hill Road to 3 different locations that you all saw, and one location out on Left Fork Road, and murdered 8 people who did not deserve to die. I want that to sink in. They killed people who did nothing to justify the death sentence that they received at the hands of the defendant and his brother and his father. And in part, you will learn his mother, who helped in the planning and plotting of this. This was not a crime of passion. This was not in a fit of rage. This was not in self-defense. These murders happened after a period of 3 months of planning and plotting and purchasing and preparing and executing 8 individuals of a family. The question that has been asked the most over the past 6.5 years is why? Why did 4 individuals plot to kill 8 members of another family? And I think you will be disappointed to learn that there is no good reason. Now, I say that. There's rarely ever a good reason to kill somebody. But you, at some point in the middle of this trial, or certainly by the end of this trial, it will dawn on you that these murders should have never happened. It was the result of a series of misguided decisions by the defendant and his family. You will learn that some of the people they intended to kill, other people were killed simply because they were there. And you will learn that the defendants knew that before they walked out of the door that night to kill these individuals, that there might be other people there. And they all agreed those people would have to be killed too, regardless of the fact that they literally had no issue with any of those other individuals. They decided that those people would have to die too. And it could have been much worse. You will learn that little Chris, one of the victims in this case, 16-year-old Christopher Roden, often had friends spend the night. It was highly unusual that he didn't. Fortunately for his friends, he was grounded because he came home late the night before, and his parents took away his car, and he wasn't allowed to have his friend over. But if there had been a friend laying on the couch, as he would have been, you will learn without a doubt that they would have killed him too. Corey Holdren, who was the boyfriend of Hannah Mae Roden, also could very well have been there. And if he had been there, you will learn they absolutely would have killed him too. Again, people they had no issue with, they were willing to kill indiscriminately with no reason. I'd like to start by introducing you to the 8 people who were killed and telling you a little bit about them and why they were. Okay, these are the 8 individuals who were killed, like I said, late night, April 21st. Can you not see?
I just asked about taking notes. Are we going to be able to go straight up these statements?
I'm sorry.
The jury is asking if they can take notes during openings.
Yes. Yes, I'm sorry. I meant to ask Terry, would you get the jurors' notepads now?
All right, little break here in the prosecution open. They're going to pass out the notepads for jurors. Let's get a break in here. We'll get you back in and pick up right where we left off.